Let us go with the second method for the preparation of phenols. The second method is called as Dow's process, or it can also be considered as preparation of phenol from haloarenes. Okay, this is the second method. So in Dow's process, the major reactant involved is chlorobenzene. Here, chlorobenzene is made to react with NaOH by maintaining a temperature of 623 Kelvin and 320 atmospheres as its pressure, in which one molecule of NaCl and one molecule of water gets eliminated. A question arises how this happens. So here 2 moles of NaOH is there. 1 mole of NaOH will ionize as NaO minus and H plus. This NaO minus will attack at this site so that chloro gets eliminated. So this chloro is left out, and 1 more mole of NaOH ionizes as Na plus and OH minus. So this Na plus binds with Cl minus and gets eliminated as NaCl, and this H plus will bind with OH minus, which gets eliminated as a water molecule. So that the intermediate which is obtained is again called as what? Sodium phenate. Again we get sodium phenate as the intermediate. So when this particular sodium phenate is again made to react with dilute HCl, NaCl gets eliminated. So when this NaCl gets eliminated, the final product which is obtained is called as what? It is phenol. So this is the second method, which is known as Dow's process, by which a phenol can be prepared. Next one, third method. The third method for the preparation of phenol is by using diazonium salts. By using diazonium salts. So here diazonium salts is nothing but what? It is BDC. The diazonium salt is called as BDC. Here one question arises, what is the meaning of BDC? BDC means it is called as benzene diazonium chloride. The benzene diazonium chloride salt is called as what? It is called as BDC. So this BDC can be obtained by a reaction called as diazotization reaction when aniline is involved. So when aniline is made to react with sodium nitrite in the presence of HCl, this reaction is called as what? Diazotization reaction. So when this diazotization reaction is taken place, we get BDC, which is given by C6H5N2 plus and Cl minus. This is called as popularly BDC. So when this particular BDC is made to react with dilute sulfuric acid, which upon warming, again subjecting it to hydrolysis. So 2 steps will take place. First step is it is made to react with dilute sulfuric acid and warming. Second step is it is subjected to hydrolysis again, so that the major product which is obtained will be phenol. So along with this phenol, HCl will be given out along with N2. So this is known as methods of preparation of phenol by using a salt called as benzene diazonium chloride. Now the next reaction what we are going to discuss is a very important reaction. Many times it has been asked in the annual examination, which is called as cumene process, or by using isopropyl benzene. So here the fourth method is called as what? Cumene process. So in this cumene process, or it is also called as isopropyl benzene. So cumene process or isopropyl benzene. So in this cumene process or isopropyl benzene, the major reactant involved is benzene. Here benzene is made to react with what? Propene. So this is propene which is involved in a reaction. Benzene is made to react with propene in the presence of phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4. Here what happens? Here there is a pi electron. So this pi electron will be binded with a benzene ring such that the product which is obtained, this will be the structure CH3. Here one more CH3 along with H which is left out. This is known as what? Cumene. So when this cumene is subjected to oxidation, so we are going to get a cumene hydrogen peroxide. So or a cumene peroxide which is represented as, so carbon is there with one CH3, there is one more CH3, this is binded with two oxygens which is known as cumene peroxide. So this is called as cumene peroxide because there is a linkage called as peroxide linkage. So this cumene peroxide which is obtained, cumene peroxide is again made to react with what? Dilute sulfuric acid. When cumene peroxide is made to react with dilute sulfuric acid at 100 degrees Celsius, we are going to get phenol. That is, one of the OH will bind with carbon here and the byproduct that is left out will be propanone, or it is also called as acetone. So this is the fourth method by which a phenol can be prepared, which is known as a process, that is cumene process. Thank you.